Say man, it's your boy Black Snow, King of Houston Comedy. We trying to figure out which side of Houston got the most ratchet females. I don't know, okay? We're gonna be riding around Houston, asking different people on the north side, south side, shit. We asking people, cops, and rappers. And y'all go ahead and like this video, comment which side of Houston you think got the most ratchet females, and subscribe, man. You know what I'm saying? And let go. Where in Houston can I find the most ratchet females at? The nose. Yeah, the outside. Yeah, y'all got to let me know what hood. You know, we got to pull up or something. Okay. Nah, free. He ain't lying to you. Green boy. Okay. Where in Houston can you find the most ratchet females?
Southside. Bissonnet.
Oh, Bissonnet! $40 to get you something. Yeah. Where in Houston can I find the most ratchet females?
Southside.
Southside?
Yeah.
Woo, they gonna get down, huh?
Southside.
What side of Houston got the most ratchet females?
Wow. I'ma say north side. No offense. Yeah. Right?
You said it, people.
Which side of Houston got the most ratchet females? Go on ahead.
Oh shit.
Tell us. Tell us.
I said the south.
South?
Yeah.
Oh, he said the South got some ratchet baddies though. They bad though.
Hey, they bad.
Where in Houston are the ratchet females from?
Shit. Goddamn shit.
Motherfucking no!
That's a good question. Goddamn it, fuck. Sunnyside, oh God.
Oh, Sunnyside! Oh, he said on Sunnyside!
Terry, if I was looking for a very ratchet woman, which side of Houston would I probably go to? I'm in the Southwest. Southwest got another one. Which side of Houston has the most ratchet females?
Oh shit. Man, that's a good battle between the north side hoes and the south side hoes.
Okay. If I'm looking to have a good time, and I need me a ratchet female.
Oh my goodness.
What side of Houston am I gonna go to?
Downtown.
Downtown. It's mixed with everything, man.
In Houston, where can I find the most ratchet females?
For sure, on Bissonnet.
Bissonnet got another one. Ain't nobody. Bissonnet creeping up. Okay, I got 40 on me. Hey, okay. Yeah. You seen these females out here, okay, and they can get a little ratchet. For sure. Okay. But what area in Houston got the most ratchet females?
Probably the north side, like up north. Gotta be up north.
Oh, that north side. So let me go ahead and ask you a little something about Houston. You been out here in Houston. Hey, it's these flowers. Let me tell you.
All of my bitches on fleek. I gotta eat like it bon appetit. I bless you can't like you sneeze, little baby. I might just spend a little decent, baby. You in the hood, man. When you riding about thugging with a little shouter from the block, it's like it be cool, but you don't know who the thug with her and all the politics that come with it. You know what I'm saying? So you don't want no bitch with that much baggage.
You know what I'm saying?
My dream.
Little north side bitch might come with a little extra
That's
baggage.
international shit.
She retarded.
Okay, all right. Which area in Houston got the most ratchet females?
I'm not calling them Bissonnet.
Bissonnet. Oh, $40. He said Bissonnet, $40. No, Bissonnet.
Oh, you know what Bissonnet is, huh?
Bissonnet. Okay. Which side of Houston are you gonna find the most ratchet females?
Most ratchet. Let me see. I ain't gonna lie, they be having them hookers. They be all posted up by the McDonald's and shit. Bissonnet, you know?
Oh, okay, yeah. I ain't helping with that. I ain't helping.
I ain't gonna lie, they be all posted up or they be in the rooms and all, you know?
Where in Houston are the most ratchet females?
Most ratchet females? Yeah, bro. Honestly, I couldn't tell you. I feel like anywhere I'm in Houston now, it's always the same shit.
All of Houston, Harris County, all that. Whatever's considered Houston. Where are the most ratchet females?
You want a real answer?
I want your real answer.
Bissonnet. Now let's go.
Bissonnet, you on? I don't think nobody gonna beat Bissonnet today.
Which side of Houston got the most ratchet females?
North side.
Know what I'm saying? Okay, another point with a long shot. Okay, coming up on Bissonnet. Okay. Look, are the ratchet females here?
Ratchet.
Right here, guys. What you mean? So tell us,
Man, I'm
where?
talking about a bitch walked by. She had one house shoe on and her brother house shoe on at the same time.
Oh, I'm talking about this real ratchet. Hey, where we at? Let them know.
Right now, we on the west side right now. We in Southside. You dig what I'm saying? I know that.
Where are the most ratchet females in Houston from? The most ratchet? In the area of Houston that they said had the most ratchet females is the North Side. Coming in second place, Bissonnet. Okay? Isn't that crazy? Is that crazy how where prostitutes work is right behind North Side? So if you want some pussy, you got a better chance to go to the North Side than Bissonnet. Shit, I'll keep my $40. Hey man, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? Hey, well that's the video. You dig what I'm saying? Make sure you like, comment, subscribe.